This video covers Breakout for automatic sliding doors and will demonstrate the difference between full breakout and partial breakout on STANLEY Dura-Glide 2000 and 3000 series. The Dura-Glide 2000 series are partial breakout doors. Partial breakout means only the sliding panel or panels will swing out. The stationary panels, known as fixed side lights, do not swing out. The Dura-Glide 3000 series are full breakout doors. Full breakout means all door panels swing out, allowing the maximum width for egress. Breakout is an IBC safety requirement for egress pathway doors, also known as exit doors. Breakout allows building occupants to exit a building in the event of an emergency such as a power outage or fire. The code requires the sliding door panels to fully swing out in any position, whether the door is fully open, fully closed, or anywhere in between. Whether the door is full breakout or partial breakout, it is important to note the following considerations before breakout can occur. Automatic sliding doors with breakout function must display proper signage. The swing path must be clear of obstructions. Doors equipped with keyed thumb turn locks must be physically unlocked. Doors equipped with electric locking mechanisms and panic bar devices do not need to be unlocked before breakout. To execute a full breakout on an automatic sliding door, push on the sliding door panel and all panels will swing out. When breaking out the door panels, be sure to firmly push the push bar as you swing the door outward. Reset the panels by first aligning the top of the inside door panel with the hanger. Slightly lift the panel and push firmly to lock into place. Reset the sliding panel by swinging it into the hanger until you hear it lock into place. To ensure the panel is reset, gently pull the panel outward. It should not disengage. To execute a partial breakout on an automatic sliding door, push on the sliding door panel and the panel will swing out. It is important to press firmly on the push bar as you swing the door outward. Reset the door by swinging each panel back into the closed position. When the door is reset, it will run through a cycle on learn mode, which means the door will slowly return to the closed position. This concludes your demonstrational video for full breakout and partial breakout on the STANLEY Dura-Glide 2000 and 3000 series. Customer support is available 24/7 at 188-DOOR-444.